In Jamaica, the term jacket refers to a child who is not biologically tied to the named father. Today, we reveal the truth. Welcome to Jacket Court.
All rise.
You may be seated. Good day. This court is now in session.
Your Honor.
Thank you, Bailiff Minot. Today we will hear the testimony regarding the case between Mr. Tucker and Ms. Peters. The nature of this case revolves around allegations of paternity and the circumstances surrounding an alleged relationship between Mr. Tucker and Ms. Peters. Ms. Peters, you assert that Mr. Tucker initiated a flirtatious relationship with you outside of your shared church community. You acknowledge that you are aware that Mr. Tucker was married, but you claim that he indicated that his marriage was effectively over and that he and his wife were attending church together strictly for appearances. Is this true?
Yes, there's more, but yes, basically.
Ms. Peters,
yes.
You further state that upon discovering your pregnancy, Mr. Tucker had a change of his demeanor drastically. You allege that he became angry and completely denied any involvement with you. Mr. Tucker then expressed a desire to stay with his wife.
That's correct.
Mr. Tucker, you categorically deny ever having a relationship with Ms. Peters. You describe her as having an unhealthy obsession with you, so much so that you and your wife felt compelled to leave the church you once attended with Ms. Tucker.
That is correct, Your Honor.
In order to avoid Ms. Peters. Mr. Tucker, you insist that you have remained faithful to your wife throughout your marriage and contend that Ms. Peter has accusations that are unfounded. You claim that she is attempting to unfairly place blame on you despite you maintaining your innocence. Is this true?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. We will hear testimony from both parties today, and this court will determine the certainty of the paternity of your child. Now, first and foremost, you are both going to the same church at one point in time, and a relationship started, allegedly. Mr. Tucker, you are denying it. Ms. Peters, why don't you tell us your side of the story?
Okay. First of all, I just want to say I'm not proud. Okay, this is not church. This is not a good behavior. I've already confessed my sins to God. I'm forgiven. I wish this was not the case, but I'm already suffering the consequences of sharing a child with him. So I've just said that. So I came to Jamaica 5 years ago on a mission trip. This guy was like a father figure to me. And somehow, I think he did obia on me. Somehow this guy, I don't know, I fell in love. I don't know why. It doesn't make sense now. As far as now, I'm not in love at all. At all. I'm already suffering dealing with sharing a child. Okay, no problem. So I was in love. He told me that he and his wife were separated. So that is one thing I would have never done. I would never be with a married man. Impossible. However, I should have not been doing this kind of business anyway. So that is why I'm sorry to God. So I was in love because of Obia. And all of a sudden, once I got pregnant, he was treating, it's one thing if you have changed your mind, but he was treating me as if I am the one that is crazy. Like I have other people. There is no other human being I was with other than him. Hey, I wish I was lying. I promise. I promise. This man should be ashamed of himself. This man, hey, he doesn't fear God. Anyway, that is what happened. Now, I gave birth to my son. He's 1 year old. He doesn't know his father. His father is not helping him. And his father looks, and this boy looks just like him. Oh, God. It's very sad. And I don't know how his wife, anyway, that's their business.
Miss Peters, you said you came to Jamaica 5 years ago on a mission trip, and initially Mr. Tucker was like a father figure.
Yes.
When did that change?
Maybe about 6 months in. It's hard to tell, to be honest, because I just thought we had a very close friendship.
And did you have any other friendships with people in Jamaica?
Yes, but nothing
Maybe
serious.
guys in the church.
God, no fear God.
Miss Peters, did you have any other relations with
No.
anyone else outside of
No.
Mr. Tucker?
Not in the church. And not in the time period of our relationship. Once I fell in love with him, I said, oh, Biao. Once I fell in love, I did not see anybody else. Oh, I wish.
Okay, so you fell in love about 4.5 years ago, it sounds like, from the timing. And you and Mr. Tucker have been in a relationship since then, and it stopped
No, Your Honor.
Once I got pregnant.
once you got pregnant. Okay.
Yes, about 2 years ago, I got pregnant because my son is 1. Got pregnant, and he just, hey, it's like the devil came out. Hey, my God. Hey, God help you. God forgive. Oh, God. Jesus. Hey, once you see this DNA result, oh, God. Oh, God. I hope your wife sees it.
That's why
anyway,
nobody
may God
now believe
forgive
because
you
you chat
because
too much.
hey, you don't. This man, where you are going, eh? Oh, God. I pray for you. Jesus died for this. Oh,
Miss
God.
Peters.
Jesus.
Miss Peters.
Sorry. Jesus.
Did
this
you
man is
in-
a deacon.
Miss
Hey,
Peters,
when I think about the punishment that is coming to
if
me.
I have to say your name one more time,
Sorry. Can you imagine? Hey,
I
someone that
need
is
you
a
to
church
respect
goer.
the fact
Hey.
that this is my courtroom. If
Sorry.
you want to have your case heard, you will be quiet when I am speaking.
It's just his
You
thing.
will be quiet
the judge, sir.
when I am speaking.
Apologize.
That's
Do you
fine.
understand?
You see, he's talking. Sorry.
Because you chat too much.
Bailiff Minot, can you please prepare yourself? Because I am tired of repeating myself.
I'm sorry. Sorry.
I have other cases I can hear.
Sorry. It's hard.
I understand. I understand there's a lot of emotion here, but this is a court of law. You have to be respectful, and you must honor the fact that I am sitting up here.
I
Chat too
apologize.
much. Even if that chat too much.
Mr. Tucker, you can get it too.
My apologies, Your Honor. My apologies, Your Honor.
Miss Peters, when you became pregnant, did you inform Mr. Tucker?
Yes, instantly. He was
And
my
what was his
boyfriend.
response?
I said he changed into Satan's son. He
This
just
season on Jacket Court.
Can I remind you that you are in a court of law? We can do whatever we want because I am the judge.
He completely ghosted me and just fall off the face of the earth.
Cannot get trapped when you walk into it yourself.
He was a dog then and he's a dog now. Backyard dog.
I never want to see you in this courtroom again. Choose your words carefully. You know I don't play like that.